Hey, what's up, SafeMoon holder? So it's a really great news for all SafeMoon holder. To SafeMoon is wake up after a long time, and I am so happy to see this, my friends. For a long time, this coin is very badly fails down. But my friend, from last 24 hours, this coin is wake up. All crypto market is wake up, my friend. Not just unique. SafeMoon, all crypto market is wake up. You can see here the SafeMoon live price. The live chart is on the screen last 24 hours. So this chart is completely showing my brothers too, especially from last 24 hours. They will wake up. Now you can see here the last 1 day chart is on the screen. So my brother, what's the main reason to this coin is wake up? The main reason is that, my brothers, too, after a mid of month every cryptocurrency is wake up. So therefore, my friend, this coin is also wake up. And absolutely, if you hold it, then exactly this coin will be, the price will be increasing very highly and more. So therefore, I will tell you, my brothers, to this time you need to hold it. And remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, please research personally before you take any decision, my brother. So thank you so much. All right, my prediction is that to upcoming time they will moving upward more and more, because, my brother, from last 7 days, last 2 weeks especially, this coin is very badly fares down. So therefore, I am 100% sure to upcoming time they will go wake up and they will completely go in the moon now more and more. So you need to hold, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. My brother, SafeMoon, what is the fastest coin? Technical analysis absolutely tell this, my friends, too. This coin absolutely after a fails take a jump. So remember to, when they fails down, this is tip for all of you, my brothers, too. When they fails down, then you need to hold it, and then you will need to invest more. And if they start, they take a very huge jump now, but if they fails down, so go now, sell it, and take a good profit now. So thanks for watching, SafeMoon holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.